Facing the download failed error on WhatsApp when trying to save photos on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the download failed issue and save your photos on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode on and off. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable Save to Photos. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the settings icon below. After that, tap Chats. Now simply toggle on the Save to Photos. Solution 2. Allow photo access. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. Now find the WhatsApp and then tap on it. Now tap Photos. Select Full Access. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app once again. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap Delete app again. Hope the download failed error on WhatsApp when saving photos to your iPhone is fixed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.